Tool Review of the Week. Sponsored by Electricians Only Tool Review and Nipex Tradesman.
So I previously have covered this on the DeWalt side. This is the Milwaukee side. I really like this. This is an M12 fuel product. I really like it. It has the dot, it has the lines, it has dude, we're using lasers like so much now. It's just amazing. We're using lasers and they're still off by 4 inches, you know. But it's the whole thing, like, let's just get it right the first time. That's my biggest thing. Everyone knows. I just want to make every day an easy day. And, dun, 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 dun. Oh, Daniel J shows up! Like, Daniel...
He may need
Daniel's coming.
With me this week
Dude.
on American history.
Dude, Daniel's trying to get you for, dude. He's got the most wins on you so far. But anyway, the reason I like these lasers is because they have the battery that you can charge up. So you don't have to change out the batteries every time. You can just charge a battery, put it in there, and you don't have any downtime. That's the number one thing I like about these lasers. The Milwaukee's, I think, I don't really see that much difference between the Milwaukee and the DeWalt. All you do is you just set it up, you put a line out there, and you just run it. But at the same time, I really like the rechargeable batteries. I don't like using the thing. So just letting Daniel know, we are gonna get a Jaws theme. Every time Daniel shows up, it's gonna be like dun 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 dun. But it's so much fun doing these every week, and I really appreciate all the people from the tour review, and I really like the